When it comes to recovering from injuries or keeping your joints healthy, the right supplements can make a big difference. While food should always come first, certain nutrients in supplement form can support faster healing, reduce inflammation, and keep your joints and connective tissues strong. Let's start with collagen, one of the most important structural proteins in your body. It's found in your tendons, ligaments, cartilage, and skin. Taking collagen peptides can help improve joint flexibility, reduce pain, and support tissue repair. For best results, pair collagen with vitamin C, which helps your body synthesize new collagen naturally. Next, there's glucosamine and chondroitin, two compounds naturally found in healthy cartilage. They help cushion your joints and maintain elasticity. Studies suggest they can reduce joint pain and stiffness, especially in conditions like arthritis or after repetitive strain. These supplements work best when taken consistently over time. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish oil or algae-based supplements are another must-have. They help reduce inflammation in the joints, promote circulation, and may even speed up tissue recovery. Look for a high-quality source with both EPA and DHA for the best anti-inflammatory benefits. MSM, or methylsulfonyl-methane, is a sulfur compound that supports collagen formation and helps reduce joint discomfort. It's often paired with glucosamine and chondroitin for a synergistic effect. Turmeric, specifically its active compound curcumin, is another natural powerhouse. It has strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that help soothe sore joints and promote faster healing. Since curcumin absorbs poorly on its own, choose a supplement with black pepper extract, piperine, to enhance absorption. Hyaluronic acid is also worth mentioning. It helps lubricate the joints and retain moisture in cartilage and connective tissues. It can improve comfort during movement, especially for those dealing with stiffness or dryness in their joints. Vitamin D and calcium are vital for bone strength and repair. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium and supports muscle function, both essential when you're getting back to activity after an injury. Magnesium is another key player. It helps muscles relax, supports nerve function, and aids in energy production for healing tissues. Magnesium glycinate or citrate forms are easy to absorb and gentle on digestion. If you're recovering from soft tissue injuries like sprains or strains, zinc and vitamin A can also help. They support cell repair and immune health, ensuring tissues rebuild efficiently. Remember, supplements work best when combined with a balanced diet, proper hydration, and regular movement. They're not magic pills, but they can give your body an extra boost when it's under stress or healing from injury. Always choose reputable brands that test for purity and potency. And if you're taking other medications or have health conditions, talk to your healthcare provider first. With the right supplement strategy, collagen, omega-3s, glucosamine, and key vitamins and minerals, you can give your body the support it needs to stay strong, mobile, and resilient for the long run.